He's done cursed himself. Straight fire.
What's going on, everyone? It is a nice, brisk morning in San Francisco holiday season.
It's like
freezing out here,
It is not
bro.
freezing. It is like 65 degrees.
It's a solid 52, and for us Bay Area folks who are not from San Francisco, it's quite cold. But we got a board here that I'll just be 100% transparent. I don't need to switch this out at all. It's pretty. I mean, if you look at it, it's completely fine. It's just been sitting in the trunk for probably about 6 months, and is probably a little worse for wear. So we're gonna swap it out. You know, take advantage of the very great situation that I'm in, and set up a new one. Hopefully land the first kickflip, but I haven't tried one since the last time I was here.
Oh no, bro! You gotta warm up kickflip on that now.
Should I?
Yes. Don't play games at this.
Well, we'll kickflip challenge this, and if I land this one, then by extension that one will be successful.
Because truth is, this kickflip challenge doesn't matter.
No, actually, no, it's okay though. That felt really good.
Yeah.
That actually felt surprisingly good. I did some stretches. I started running in the last couple months, and I learned some leg stretches that it kind of like naturally warms me up. Oh yeah, we're good.
You're looking good, I ain't gonna lie.
Damn, girl, that was, I feel like the last couple times I started out on the board on these filming days, my legs were like, hell no, but no, we're good today. That actually felt nice. But now the pressure's on, because if I don't land that one, then I gotta break it.
Yeah, it's true.
Yeah.
I did think to myself, maybe I should bring the power drill.
You know, I was secretly hoping you did.
Moments like this. But
Yep.
are those Phillips?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, okay.
The actual deck is about the same. This is an 8, that's an 8. I think the shape is roughly the same. The color of the top ply is a little different. We're doing green today.
I know, I love how that makes such a difference.
Oh, it does.
Very often I'm like, what's the top ply?
You don't like red, right?
Well, what do you think about red?
I think red is 100% fine.
You do?
You know,
so you'd skate a red no matter?
The color for me is yellow.
Really?
If I get a yellow top ply board, I will hurt myself unintentionally. But it's just like when you have the darker tints or the darker colors, you can see the grain.
Yeah.
And like if you get like a nice teal, or this one was like an orange.
Yeah.
Like a blood orange.
Yeah.
It looks so nice. Then if you get the yellow, sometimes it can obscure it a little bit.
Obscure the grain?
The grain.
So this is the true artistry at work here.
Yeah, and then I just think it looks a little like Walmarty, which as the world's leading poser, it's fine. But yeah, the red is fine for me. Yellow freaks me out. I'll try to avoid the yellow plies if I can. But this board literally has dust on it. That's kind of embarrassing, and I apologize to everyone out there.
So just so everybody knows, there is a big, what do you call it? Not quite a conspiracy theory, but almost, right? Or maybe it's a, what do you call it?
Regarding what?
So the red top ply.
Oh, I wouldn't, not conspiracy theories. It's just kind of like a
superstition.
Superstition, yeah, that's the word.
That's the word. Okay, so there's a superstition that the red top ply makes you get injured. So there's some skaters that no matter what, they won't skate a board with a red top ply.
Yeah. Again, I was born on the 13th of April. My birthday falls on Friday the 13th, so a lot of regular superstitions I feel like I'm not very superstitious about, but I'm definitely a stitious individual.
Yeah,
if that makes any sense. What's
So,
going on, brother?
Yeah,
Like,
the superstitions don't apply to you. You're above superstition.
no, definitely not. I have to use a specific amount of pumps of body wash in the shower or I'll freak out. I don't know if that's crazy to say, but
That's not crazy to say. How many pumps?
When the Warriors were going on their run a couple years ago, I was using 4 pumps of body wash.
Yeah.
So Steph could get his 4th ring.
Oh wow.
But now it's down to 3 generous pumps because the amount of body wash that comes out is a little bit more than the previous brand I used to use.
They were like, dude, we got to increase the pumps out of these washes. Steph Curry ain't winning the rings for nothing.
There we go. So yeah, we'll give this bad boy away if that's all right with you, Aaron.
Yeah.
We'll do maybe leave a comment of your favorite Gabe Cruz moment over all the Braille years, and we'll keep it in the U.S. Leave your favorite Gabe Cruz moment in the comments below, and we'll go in and pick a random winner, ship this board out to you, and yeah, appreciate you guys supporting me over the years. But yeah, that definitely does not need to be changed. I can still be skated.
Yeah. 100%. Nice board.
This is
but
what we're
this
working
bad
with
boy.
today. Look at that.
Come on now.
I think there's
Shout out Revive.
Yep, shout out Revive. This is one I've been waiting to skate for a while, and I love that one so much that I didn't want to give it up, but
I know, the
it's the
shark is
holidays.
so good.
You take sticker off? That's
100%. What are you, psycho?
No, I do. I'm just asking.
Yeah, I would have
I feel
to
like
take
some
that.
people would.
Yeah, some people would just grip right over that sticker. Like,
Yeah.
what is it gonna do? It's just a sticker. But you know what it's gonna do? It's gonna ruin your entire life.
Yeah, well. All right, shout out Doug Destels. We got some ham grip going.
Shout out, Doug. We love you. First try.
And I did have a sticker to go underneath too.
Oh, wow. I forgot about the sticker underneath. What?
I usually put a Goku sticker under there, but I couldn't find them, so.
Okay, that's for sure like a sick sticker though. It's like a thing of fries.
Yeah, when I'm trying a hard trick and I feel like giving up, I look down and see Goku going Super Saiyan underneath my grip tape, and it motivates me to keep going at least a couple more tries.
You think, well, what did Goku go through to do this? I can at least do that much for this kickflip.
Yeah, he literally went to hell.
Wow, look at this strategy though, guys. I was wondering, how does he make it? Look at that strategy. This is how to grip a board with Gabe Cruz.
And over the years,
Oh, wow.
you've seen some craziness.
There's crinkles on that sticker.
It's okay.
Really?
Yeah.
You just let it go.
Just let it ride.
Okay, let's see. I can't wait to see how this is gonna come out.
It's gonna come out so good. Might have a couple air bubbles. Oh yeah, look at that. It's exactly what we did not need, is those crinkles. You're right.
Oh, wow. This is next level with the extra sheet on top.
Oh.
Come on, guys. Come on.
Yeah, that's gonna be nice. See, what I don't like using is the truck to grind down the edges of the grip.
Yeah?
That to me is blasphemy.
Really?
Yeah, I'd rather use this. Although it puts the fingers a little more at risk.
A little? 100% more at risk.
I haven't done this in so long. It's like something you'll never forget to do. And it's like seeing an old friend or like a relative from a long time ago that
Yeah.
you only see once every like 7 years, but you'll never forget them.
It's true.
And they're still exactly the same every single time you do it.
Yeah.
You grind down to the bone pretty much, right? When
Yeah.
you do it. Oh, dang it. That's what happens.
Yeah, so you gotta watch out with that little guy. Yeah, but that's good. You can get a good cut with that.
Oh, absolutely.
You got a fresh razor blade?
Yes, I do. This is about to be gorgeous. Always peel up the edges.
Yep, 100%.
For many years in my early skateboarding career, I cut down.
Really?
Yeah, it's not my proudest mission.
Proudest accomplishment.
Single cut is also very important.
Oh yeah, if you can pull up the single cut, you're
It's a
expert
big
level.
flex, yeah.
Like, how do you like me now, posers?
That's not too shabby.
No, that's beautiful.
That's pretty good, huh?
That's like legendary status.
Yeah, that is not bad at all. I'll take that. Back like I never left.
And this is just a extra fine tuning on the sides.
The one thing that I never adopted was the cutting out the holes. that
Oh,
you
yeah?
did. Never did that.
You have to be a real psychopath to do that.
I'm definitely a psychopath, but not in that way.
Yeah.
I think every skater / golfer has a level of psychopath.
100%.
All right, this is the scary part, trying to avoid the rip.
Oh yeah. See, if you would have cut it out, actually you would do this anyways.
All right, we're almost there.
Okay, 50 mil lens. Now I'm thinking, dang, how would this have looked with the 50 mil lens?
Wonderful.
So pristine.
This is a slight problem though, is that grip tape bunching up a little bit.
I know, you know what handles that? Cutting it out, bro. That's why I cut it out.
All right.
This is gonna help your kickflip though.
It will, it'll catch.
It's gonna magically just attach onto your foot and give the perfect flick.
At least the trucks went on the right way this time.
Yep. This ain't your first rodeo.
I'm so excited to skate this, honestly.
And you got, these are the nano cubic wheels.
They are, yeah. I was gonna go over everything.
Okay. I have a fresh set of these. I was thinking about putting them on, and I was like,
You haven't yet? You're still on the Dragons?
yeah. I don't know if I can ever get rid of the Dragons, bro.
Dude, the cubics are so good. I feel like the Dragons are too sticky.
These are the same formula,
Yeah,
right?
These are better.
Really?
Yeah. There we go. Nose will flatten out as I step on it.
Yeah, it's gonna be good.
All right, here we are.
Here we are.
So this is 8-inch
Yep.
provide board. Tried a couple different sizes. 8 is definitely my preferred. Anything smaller, my feet are too big. Anything bigger, it's hard to flip, and I like doing my double flips. So we keep it at 8. These are Thunder Truck 147. I think they're the standards. I prefer low trucks.
Yeah.
I do not like a high or mid to high truck.
Yeah.
I learned on the lows. So anytime I switch to any kind of mid or high trucks, it throws off my timing,
Yeah.
and I forget how to do any kind of tray flips or tricks like that.
Okay.
Anything with scoop, it throws me off. So I think these are like mid-low or something like that. But
And we got the hollows in here.
they are the hollows, yeah, with the hollow kingpin and axles as well.
Oh yeah, yeah, super light.
Yeah, super light as possible.
Yeah.
And then these are the nano cubics right here, 52 millimeter. I used to skate like a 53, 54.
Yeah.
But the 52s get me lower to the ground, and the lower I am to the ground, the better for me.
You heard it here first, ladies.
Absolutely.
This man is taken.
Absolutely gorgeous. Now we got a very high pressure, high stakes kickflip.
So, what's the deal here? No ollie, no warm up, no nothing. Straight to kickflip.
Straight to kickflip, yeah.
This is actually the stuff nightmares are made of. I could barely even stand up after that.
Yeah, I know. My legs are all tight again. I got to go through my stretching regimen.
Yeah, well, I want to see the stretching regimen actually. You're allowed to do that, right?
No,
Not even?
nope.
What the?
I can just look at it and do a little twirl. I feel like this is going down.
100%.
I feel like it's going down. Why am I
100% guaranteed.
I'm about to crap a brick right now. All right, come on. No. Here's what happened. I hit a rock.
That didn't count.
I hit a rock.
Nobody even saw that.
Let me go for a lap. The grip is so grippy.
Yeah, that's the thing.
That's what it was. It caught
That's
me.
why it's hard with the new board. It's because you can't adjust to the new grip right away.
Yeah, the cubics are just sensational. That guy talked in my backswing.
Yep, 100%. What is he doing?
All right, none of those count. The only one that counts is the one I land. You saw how good it was on that one.
Yeah,
It's just, getting used to the new board, the grip.
yep. Bro, that was it. That was money.
You know what I learned last night?
What?
That unk, thought it stand for like uncle, right? Like old uncle, like you're kind of washed.
Yeah.
Doesn't.
What does it stand for?
Uncool.
Stop.
Yeah.
Stop.
Yeah.
No way.
That was my exact reaction.
No way.
That's the most unk thing that I could imagine is learning that.
Because I.
So here we are. Takes 4 tries to land a kickflip.
But I seen all these. No way. I seen like the coolest skater dudes all at the Embarcadero, and all the young Gen Z kids were saying unk,
Yeah.
unk gang.
There's just no respect for the legends nowadays, you know?
They're not uncool though. They're the
There's
coolest dudes
There's
ever.
just no respect. Gabe Cruz.
He's done cursed himself. I knew this was gonna happen because he put so much mental pressure on himself
I
to
really
perform.
did.
It's
Also-
like Steph Curry at the 3-point.
I just don't have any excuses right now, and usually I rely on those.
Yeah.
Oh my God.
Yes, sir.
Ah, that is just so bad. Let me come back around here.
Yeah, boy.
Okay, it's not too bad, not too bad.
First try.
We can take it. Now it's just break-in board session. Yeah, it feels good.
Straight fire. Yes, sir. Yeah, boy. Nollie time.
The lowest nollie in world history.
Every stance, always. Come at me, Chris.
Come
Joslin.
on now.
Come at me.
I love the new grip when you can see the shoe wearing off on it.
Yeah.
That,
So good.
It don't get better than that, man. Whoa. Okay. Just nothing quite like skateboarding.
Yes, sir.
That was so little.
That was so good. Yes, sir. Come at me.
We'll take it. Honestly, I know games of skate are inevitable, so I'm using this as get as warmed up as physically possible and then go at you.
Yeah,
while you're still
100%.
cold.
You got to work on that heel flip.
Yeah, I do.
Switch 180. First try.
I'm only doing 3 of the back ones. I don't want to deal with it.
Yes, sir.
There's no way I just missed the back 180. Woo, baby.
Yeah, boy.
Come on, baby. It may have been
Let's
3
go.
inches off the ground, but it was clean. All right, little pop shovers.
Yeah.
Whoa!
Yes, sir.
I almost died.
This is the stuff legends are made of. Fakey too? I was gonna say, if he lands switch, pop shove it, this man's coming for my soul today. He's coming at me.
All the games of skate I would play with McNugget, he would bring me through the gauntlet
Yeah,
of switch tricks, and it made me better.
true. That man is a beat. He's the best. Wow.
Holy
Is that nollie?
That was an ollie.
Get out of here.
The heck?
Okay, I'm not playing you today.
I feel pretty good today for some reason.
Wow, sheesh. It's nice with a fresh setup.
It is.
Oh, wow. Wow, that was speed up.
All right, that's fakie. Let's get a little nollie.
Yeah, there you go.
Holy, dude, this thing's got a little pizzazz to it.
A little
A
snapper.
little snapperino.
Snapperooski.
All right, I'm gonna try to steeze out this switch front shove so much. Oh, baby, I wanted that.
Ooh, baby.
After the front shove, you'll see a steep decline in my talent because I stopped doing nollie and switch
Really?
for the flip tricks.
You can do nollie flip though.
I'll be here all day.
No, you can do a nollie flip. That's what we should do. Gabe relearns nollie flip. Wow.
Woo, baby.
Save some ladies for the rest of us.
I know, I'm sorry.
This man is engaged to get married.
My future wife, please don't watch this. You'll fall in love again.
No, yeah, exactly, literally.
All right, heel flip time.
Yeah.
Stretching out the shoulders.
If he misses this, he
I
knows
don't know
I'm
why.
taking him out. If he lands this, he knows he's taking me out. Oh my
I'll just
word.
tell you, there was no way in the world I wasn't landing that.
Yeah.
If I landed primo and ate it and fell, I was gonna land it.
That was ace.
I'm
Add
gonna
that front angle too.
I'm gonna do a better one though.
Holy.
All right, I'm gonna save the fakie heel for another video because I just don't feel like doing that right now.
Makes
I'm gonna
sense.
pick and choose my battles here in my old age. Now let's do the kickflip again just to prove that we've progressed here already today. And I still can't, man.
It's that grip tape, bro. It's that fry sticker.
The board just wants to double flip.
Well, double flip it.
Oh,
let's go!
no, what the hell? What was that? That was so good. I landed in that crack.
Wow!
It's okay.
Wow, that was so
It
good.
was all right. I tic-tacked a little bit.
If you've seen the replay, you would have been like, sheesh.
I like when they suck to the feet like that.
Yeah, 100%. No, this man's keeping burial flips alive, people. First try.
That was so bad.
Let's go.
It's fine. We don't have to be good today. We just need to be on a board. That's the important thing. All right, I'm gonna go in a line.
Yeah.
I'll go in this square right here. I'm gonna do a fakie trick and then come back and do an ender.
Okay, I love it.
All right, roll away steezy, roll away steezy, roll away steezy. Stop right here, boom. Hit a little board twirl. No!
Oh boy, I had that.
Freaking tray
With the
flip.
light in the background, the backlight and everything.
Doing it in the line, I think just overstimulated me a little bit, you know?
Yeah,
There's just a lot going on.
back to those rough years in Nam.
My Braille roots start with tray flip, and as I'm here again, tray flip is just the one that I can do. It's just never fully been super easy unless I'm like really in my zone.
Yeah.
And when I'm in the zone, it's just like a little flip, scoop, and a catch, and I'm just rolling away like nothing. But right now, it's like I put everything I got into it, you know?
It's like butter.
It's like I need some Christmas miracles to get this going. Luckily, it's that time of year.
Oh, that was so good.
Okay, right here, this is the one.
Yeah, boy.
It wasn't good, but we'll take it.
It was good.
Woo! All right. Well, I would say that we are officially warmed up and the board is officially broken in.
You aced it. Oh yeah, you had to get that in there.
Oh yeah. All right, well, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget, comment below, favorite Gabe Cruz memory in Braille history. We'll pick a random winner here in the US. Ship you my old board right here, the good old Jaws.
Yeah.
Shout out Revive, shout out Aaron. As always, love. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Hope you're learning to skate. Happy holidays.